Right, maybe not the best news in the forecast, at least for the weekend, but we're going to get through it, Quaylen.
We are going to get through it. And I think we've gotten used to being in the house, so Sunday won't be so bad. We know that there are several things we can do. Some of that requires power, though. So we're hoping that we can hold on to the power Sunday while the storm system is impacting us. Mainly sunny today, low to mid 50s for highs, 40s tomorrow. That cold air starts settling in, and even the winds start picking up. By Sunday, wintry mix and windy conditions impacting us, 38 degrees. The temperature for much of the afternoon. So the winter storm watch is in place right now. This will change over to a warning. We could see an advisory issued for some spots along I-95. It's along I-95 that we'll see the lesser snowfall impacts, less than 1 inch of snowfall. We start to get into the 1 to 2 inch range around the triangle, and then sliding up towards that 2 to 3, 8, even maybe 4 inches of snowfall, I should say, as we start to move north of I-85 on Sunday. So the impacts will unfold something like this, not exactly, but we'll start to see some gradual shifting of the phases of the winter mix. So starting off with the snow and sleet early in the morning through around mid-morning before transitioning to freezing rain by mid-morning through early afternoon. That rainfall starts kicking in by the afternoon, along with the windy conditions right on through late afternoon and early evening. And then we could see another transition over to some snow as the system is departing. So we're looking at generally minor to limited impacts from the triangle along I-95. As we get into the triad and certainly west towards the mountains, that moderate to major impact of the winter storm starts setting up, and we're going to see that in the form of snowfall as well for the mountains. In some cases, up to 2 feet of snowfall possible. You know who's in love with this forecast? Skiers. Yes, for the weekend, looking at some snowy conditions, fresh coats from Mother Nature on Sunday. Temperatures down into the 20s. Check out the winter weather impacts across the country. You can follow the warnings and advisories that are in place and see how the system's going to track down to the south and then scoop back up and head off to the northeast as that low pressure tracks to the offshore waters. Low pressure right now over the plain states, and that's where we're seeing that snowfall accumulation. So as we set up for Saturday, clouds increase, high pressure to our north, driving in that much colder air on Saturday. Maybe a few flurries flying at times, but the impacts really start building in more so into early Sunday morning. So we're looking at snowfall and sleet to start developing shortly after midnight, 3, 4 o'clock in the morning. We'll continue with that frozen precip through the morning hours of Sunday. And then by the afternoon, we start to see that transition over to some rainfall gradually from east to west. Still some lingering impacts for some winter precip for areas mainly north and west. The low pressure starts pulling away. Behind that, we talk about that wintry mix. This is Monday morning, so we still have a chance to see maybe some lingering snowfall impacts into the early morning hours because temperatures will start to go back down. That low pressure departing, heading up right up the east coast, and that's where the snowfall concerns will also develop as well. Here's a live look outside. Just a few clouds developing. Still lots of bright sky. Temperatures mainly in the low to mid 50s, upper 40s in Oxford and also South Hill, 54 in Fayetteville. So again, watching those clouds gradually build in later on tonight. Looking at your first alert 7-day forecast, I'm going to try to get there, but it looks like just a little stumble here on the graphics. Let's see if we can bounce back to that 7-day forecast, and we'll get you right there. Okay, here you are. First alert forecast powered by AccuWeather. 54 degrees, the high temperature today. We're preparing for Sunday. So you have Saturday as a final day to nail your plans down and get yourself comfortable. 41 degrees on Saturday. Sunday morning, temperatures starting off in the 20s. We'll have feels like temperatures down into the single digits and teens at times. That'll take us also into the early part of Sunday as well. 38 degrees for much of the day Sunday, and then we'll start to see temperatures actually climbing a bit. That's why we're going to see that transition over to rainfall later in the day on Sunday before temperatures drop off again. Notice Monday morning, MLK Junior Day, 30 degrees. That's why we have concerns for bridges and overpasses and just roads in general where we see that refreeze potential. Some melting Monday afternoon. We're above freezing, but another refreeze potential here for Tuesday morning as temperatures drop below the freezing mark for anything that has not evaporated. Back to 46 degrees Tuesday afternoon, 51 on Wednesday, partly sunny skies, and then our next chance for showers comes in Thursday with the next front. Right now, a slight chance, high temperatures Thursday in the upper 40s. John, back to you.